Well, we got a box opening today. I wonder what it is. Hope it's a drone. Oh, I'm sorry, not a drone, but a quad. I don't like drones. I like quad. I've been flying 3-inch since the spring. I think I'm finally ready to step up to the next step. As everybody knows, I'm not no big quad racing fan. I'm more of a freestyle flyer. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got some banana charge leads from my Li-24 charger. XT60. That's a pretty good size battery there. A lot better than that a lot bigger than that 30 I've been using. I might need them. This batteries. What kind of batteries we got here? Got 2 of them. Got 2 batteries. Oh wow. Straps come with them. What's that? A gold? Oh wow, that's neat. That's a neat looking strap. 1500 milliamp, 100C, gold racing, 14.8 volt, 22.2 WH. Wow. They should charge that really good. 100C. I like that long cord. As you see, the discharge has got a clamp on it to keep you from pulling the wires out. Being a 4-cell, really good. Good thick wire on the battery leads. Like at least 18, size 18 on that. Wow. I've got 2 of them, 2 batteries to start off with. I mean, moving up bigger than a 3-inch. What we got here? A GEP RC Elevate 5-inch freestyle quad. It's a little different quad than anything else I've been looking at. It's actually built upside down. The ESCs is actually in backwards because the quad's built upside down. But they say it's to help the balancing of the quad, the center of gravity. Let's see what we got here. Everything's nicely packed. Neat foam. There's the instructions. It's got a span tower in it. 40 amp ESC. VTX. I believe the VTX will go up to 600 milliwatt. 600 milliwatt. This ain't the bind and fly. This is the plug and play. So I got the full size receiver that come with my radio. Hopefully I'll be able to find room in this quad for it. It plugs in. Probably gonna have to do a little soldering on the wire. But I'm finally gonna get to use that full size receiver, I believe. This is really protected right here. Oh yeah. It's got the printed antenna holder here on the back. The arms is up for center of gravity. It's got the 600 TVL Runcam Sparrow. Looks like looks like the 1.8 lens. It's a little bit bigger than the one I thought it was going to be, but it's not the 2.5. I think it's more like the 1.8, something like that. 600 TVL, and it's got the place for your action camera to mount on top of this, with all the straps for it. But I just wanted all my friends out there to see and share this special time with y'all. Moving up to a 5. Can't wait till y'all see more. Props up, people. Over and out. What else we got in this box here? Look, we got some motor mount protectors that fits on the corners to protect the motors. And we got all these assorted parts that comes with accessories, from the VTX, from the flight control system to the camera. Got all the wiring harnesses you need to connect your receiver up. There's a harness for it. We got the GPRC straps. Got 3 of them, plus the 2 that come with the batteries. So it's got plenty of straps. Then we got the pads where to put any new motors on or anything. There's the shock absorbing pads for it. Then we got the skid pads, the anti-slip pads you put on the top of your drone. The battery to set on. You strap it down, it'll help stabilize the battery. Got plenty of extra stuff. Adhesive strips out the yin yang. Some more tubing and cable. And here we got an extra arm in case you ever break another arm. We got an extra one. That's really nice. Then we got the camera adjuster to set the camera up. Everybody needs an extra one of them. And then a full set of Allen wrenches. Everything is really nicely packed and put together really well. But I didn't mean to cut the other video a little short, but I wanted to go through all these little small stuff right here is what matters a lot of times. Having the full package deal. Got a lot of extras with this deal. You know, you can't build it for this price, but I will, you know, I am a builder, so I will eventually build one as complicated as this or this one all over again. But I will get this thing up flying as quickly as possible. And this drone runs off of the PT40 props, GPRC. Got 10 sets of props, 50/40. You know, it's pretty zippy from everything I've seen with the PT40s. So Wish me luck, guys and ladies. Over and out.